Here's the Hyundai Tucson. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing, open up the hatch. Now right over there is the hatch strut. You will need a small flathead screwdriver to take off the two clips, one over here and the second one right over there. All you have to do is just get it under the clip and then pull it out from that groove over there. Once it's out a little bit like this, you'll be able to just grab the entire strut. Now push up on the hatch a little bit and then pull the strut out. Good. Repeat the process on the other side. Same thing. Get the screwdriver right over there underneath that strut, and once it's out like this, just pull it out. And with the new strut, you just have to get it on and then push it on. The clip will automatically pop itself in place. You don't have to pull the clip out, well, like we did when we were trying to take it off. But if you do end up doing it that way, for whatever reason, just put it in place and then use a screwdriver to slide that clip into the groove and to make sure it's locked in place. Repeat the process on the other side, just get it in place, push it on to lock it. Same process on the other side. Let's try this out. It's working good, and that's it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.